Hi, this is Radhika, Senior Education Counselor and Business Development Manager in ICCC. Today I'm going to talk about K. Hegde Medical Academy, Mangalore, about All India Ranking PG Cutoff for 2020. K.S. Hegde Medical Academy is also called as SHEMA. K.S. Hegde Medical Academy was ranked 36th among medical colleges in India and it's one of the top colleges in Karnataka. K.S. Hegde Medical Academy was established in 1999 by Nite Education Trust, which is located in Mangalore. Shema College Hospital recently opened a super specialty block for nuclear medicine, cardiology, neurology, pediatric surgery, and plastic surgery. Let us see about Information Cum Career Counseling Center. Our company is a Bangalore-based registered company. We have a head office in Bangalore and regional office in Hyderabad and West Bengal. Our website is www.i3c.tech. To know more about PG Medical College, you can always browse our website. It's www.medicalneedpg.com, where you can search the college, get fee structure and more. Now let us see the fee structure for K.S. Hegde Medical Academy for clinical, paraclinical and preclinical subjects. Coming to MD in clinical subjects like MD in psychiatry, anesthesia, pulmonary medicine, the fee structure is 19 lakhs 80,000 per annum. Wherein for MD in general medicine it's 25 lakhs 80,000 per annum. For MS in ophthalmology, ENT and OBG and general surgery it's 25 lakhs 80,000 per annum, and MD in radiology, pediatrics and dermatology it's 29 lakhs 80,000 per annum. Now let us see the first round of cutoff for All India Ranking PG. For different streams in K.S. Hegde Medical Academy, for MD in Dharma, it's 12,322 All India ranking, and for MD in General Medicine, it's 17,126, wherein for MD OBG, it's 20,845, and MD in Pediatric, it's 22,919 All India rank. Coming to second round cutoff. If you see for MD in Dharma, it's 15,923. MD in General Medicine, it's 15,939. MD in OBG, it's 23,956 and MD in Pediatric, it's 20,727 All India rank. Coming to mop-up round, the All India ranking cutoff in mop-up round, as you can see in MD in Dharma or MD in Pediatric or MD in OBG, there is no seats allotted because all the seats were reported in the second round itself, wherein for MD General Medicine, it's 16,849. Now let us see the statistical analysis of K.S. Hegde Medical Academy in MCC counseling for round 1, round 2 and mop-up round. Come let us talk about MD in dermatology. If you see the cutoff is not reached up to 16,000 All India rank with 2 seats allotted for a fee of 29 lakhs 88,000 per annum. However, comparing with other top team colleges in Mangalore like Enopoya, for MD in dermatology, the cutoff is reached up to 13,300 All India rank with 1 seat allotted in general category for a fee of 32 lakhs 10,000 per annum. Next, talking about MD in anesthesia. If you see the cutoff is reached up to 38,600 All India rank with 14 seats allotted, which is the maximum seats allotted compared to other top deemed colleges with a low fee of 19 lakhs 80,000 per annum and low cutoff compared to other top deemed colleges. So now coming to MD in general medicine. So if you see the graph, the cutoff is reached up to 17,000 All India rank with 13 seats allotted for a fee of 25 lakhs 80,000 per annum. When comparing with other top deemed colleges, the cutoff does not cross more than 20,000 All India rank. And the total seats are more in K.S. Hegde Medical Academy for MD General Medicine compared to other top deemed colleges with a similar fee structure. Now, coming to MD in Pediatric, the cutoff is reached up to 22,000 All India rank with 6 seats allotted for a fee structure of 29 lakhs 88,000 per annum. Compared to other top deemed colleges in Mangalore, the fee is high for MD in Pediatrics in K.S. Hegde. Next, talking about MD in OBG, the cutoff has gone up to 23,000 All India rank with 4 seats allotted for a fee of 25 lakhs 88,000 per annum. Coming to paraclinical like MD in microbiology, the cutoff reaches up to 1,21,000 All India rank with a fee of 1,90,000 per annum. Wherein in K.S. Hegde, which is having the lowest fee with the highest cutoff compared to other top deemed colleges in Mangalore for MD in microbiology. As a senior education counselor, my conclusions about these 3 rounds of cutoff in MCC counseling for All India ranking in K.S. Hegde Medical Academy. Come, let us see one by one for different clinical subjects. For MD in Derma, the first round cutoff was 12,322 All India rank, wherein in the second round the cutoff has gone up to 3,601, that is 15,923 All India rank. However, if you see in the mop-up round, there is no seats allotted as all the seats were reported in the second round. Next, in MD in General Medicine, the first round cutoff was 17,126 All India rank, and in the second round the cutoff has been gone down to 1,187 rank, that is 15,939. And if you see in the mop-up round, it's gone again up to 910 rank, that is 16,849. So in MD in pediatric, the first round cutoff is 22,919, wherein in the second round the cutoff has gone to 2,192 rank, that is 20,727 All India rank. However, if you see in mop-up round, there are no seats allotted as all the seats were reported in the second round. Note, if you see that the MCC counseling for PG All India ranking cutoffs in Kshema is low, but the fee is very high. For example, in MD Pediatric, the All India ranking cutoff is up to 22,919 rank, wherein the fees is 29 lakhs 80,000 per year, which is approximately 89 lakhs 48,000. Now coming to the package, the service charge for NEET PG counseling and guidance. In Information Cum Career Counseling Center, we charge rupees 25,000, which includes application notification updates, SMS alerts for all state, stepwise application filling guidance for Karnataka, Pondicherry, Punjab, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, NRI or general fees updates, SMS alert, cutoff marks alerts, guidance for NRI documents for MCC or state counseling, direct NEET PG admission for all clinical and paraclinical subjects. To get a paid service, kindly click the link below. Thank you for watching. For further details or queries, you can always call up to 888-4499-760 or WhatsApp 7406-24411 or email to my email ID radhikanirmal.i3c.blr@gmail.com, and we are open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.